Hello viewers, if you are someone who wants to buy a Samsung tablet, namely Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, and also you want to edit videos on your tablet, then this video is going to be helpful for you. In this video, I will take some footages and then edit those footages and show you how much time will it take to render a 5 minutes video. For editing the video, I have taken Insert Video Editing app. I will edit the video not in paid version but in the free version. I have already some footages in my tablet, so I will take them and then I will just click OK and all the clips will be available in the Insert Video Editing timeline. Now let me remind you that Exynos 1580 processor is there inside this tablet. I have to tag some more clips so that the video length can be around 5 minutes. These footages are taken in 1080p 60 fps. Some footages are taken from Android tablet and some footages are taken from iPhone. I will split some clips into many parts and then I will edit or I will add transition effect. As I am scrolling through the timeline, I can sense or I can feel a lag. Though the lag is manageable, so you can expect average video editing on Insert Video Editing app on Android tablet. If you edit in iPad, you can see that after splitting any footage, this sign will appear, but in Android tablet you have to play the clips. So I think this is a considerable amount of lag that you are getting on Android tablet compared to iPad. Now I will fast forward the video. After splitting and adding transition, I will add some text at the beginning. As I am editing on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, I will write editing on Tab S10 FE Plus. As you can see here, the font size is bigger, so I have to select the font size and I can then decrease the font size according to my preference. After that, I will add effects to this font. After that, whenever I have selected the style and also the font, after that I will add some music to my video clips. I will not add any kind of voiceover. You can add if you want to. As I don't edit on my tablet in Android, I don't actually have much music in the background or in the storage or in my music section. So I will add one of the musics that I have in this my music section. The length of this music is short, so I have to add it twice. So I have to click on duplicate and then it will automatically add the same music after the first music ends. So you have to click on duplicates. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus cannot render video in 4K 60 fps, so it is better for you if you render any video in 1080p 30 fps. I will also render in 1080p 30 fps and show you how much time does it take to render a 5-minute video. As you can see here, 502 MB size is there, so I have clicked on rendering and the time is 10:48 PM. So I will show you when the video ends editing. As you can see here, the time is 10:52 PM. So you can see that 4 minutes have taken to render a 500 MB video and the length of that video is around 5 minutes. So this is the final output. There is no frame drops, no lags. So if you are someone who likes to edit videos on tablet but you cannot edit in 4K 60 fps, so light editing can be done on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus. So I think this video will clearly show you whether you can edit videos or not, and this video I think will be helpful to you. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you have liked this video or not, and if you want to see more videos like this or not. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.